annular eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly in front of the sun, but the lunar disk is not quite wide enough to cover the entire star. At maximum, the moon forms a black hole in the center of the sun. Annular eclipses have a special charm all their own. During an annular eclipse, sunbeams turn into little rings of light. The best place to see this is on the sun-dappled ground beneath a leafy tree. Hundreds of circular shadows can be found there.
A total eclipse of the sun is one of the most awe-inspiring sights in all of nature, and it's all made possible due to the unique geometry in the distances and sizes of the sun and moon as seen from the Earth. As we all know, the moon orbits the Earth and the Earth orbits the sun, and celestial mechanics allows us to calculate these orbits with great precision. When the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, we say that the moon is in the new phase. An eclipse of the sun can only occur when the moon is new. However, not all new moons produce a solar eclipse. The moon's orbit around the Earth is tilted about 5 degrees to the plane of the Earth's orbit around the sun. As a result, the moon spends most of its time either above or below the Earth's orbital plane. Most eclipses are partial because new moon takes place just before or after the moon crosses the orbital plane. But if the timing is right, a total eclipse of the sun occurs just as the center of the moon passes directly in front of the center of the sun. The path that the moon shadow makes over the Earth during a total eclipse is called the path of totality. To see a total eclipse, you must be in the path of totality. As a total solar eclipse begins, a ghostly silhouette looms into view, framed by a white glow that creates a halo around the darkened sun.
Okijojimiya, an island nearly 200 miles south of Tokyo, is crowded with scientists and with sightseers on hand to view the last solar eclipse that will be visible from Japan this century. The passage of the moon across the face of the sun became not merely an event of scientific interest, but a remarkable popular phenomenon. Streets were crowded with amateur observers as the eclipse neared totality. At its height, it was an annula, or ringed eclipse, with a band of sunlight surrounding the intervening moon. A rare celestial event, the longest of the year, and for Japan, the last of the century.